Good morning, students. Today we will discuss question answers, and the name of our chapter is The Proposal. Question 1. What does Chubukov at first suspect that Lomov has come for? Is he sincere when he later says, "And I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son"? Find reasons for your answer from the play. So, answer will be Chubukov doesn't have a very high regard for Lomov. At first, he suspects that Lomov has come to him for borrowing money. He has done so earlier too. He claims that he loves Lomov and calls him an angel. Lomov has been like his own son. He doesn't seem to be sincere in what he says. He is exposed when he starts quarreling with Lomov on auction meadows and the dogs. He abuses Lomov and sides with his daughter Natalia. Question 2. Chubukov says of Natalia as if she won't consent. She is in love. Again, she is like a lovesick cat. Would you agree? Give reasons for your answer. Answer will be, this is true up to a great extent. Her father calls Natalia a lovesick cat. She may not love Lomov sincerely and truly, but one thing is clear, she is dying to marry Lomov. When she comes to know that Lomov came with a proposal of marriage, she starts weeping. She presses her father to bring Lomov back. Even in the end, she wastes no time in giving her hand in the hand of Lomov. Next, find all the words and expressions in the play that the characters use to speak about each other and the accusations and insults they hurl at each other. For example, Lomov in the end calls Chubukov an intriguer, but earlier Chubukov has himself called Lomov a malicious, double-faced intriguer. Chubukov has himself called Lomov a malicious, double-faced intriguer. Again, Lomov begins by describing Natalia as an excellent housekeeper, not bad-looking, well-educated. And now the answer will be, all characters in the play indulge in accusations and insults. Lomov calls Chubukov malicious, old rate, fool, the stuffed sausage, a land grabber, double-faced, villain and intriguer. Chubukov calls Lomov lunatic, drunkard, gambler, scarecrow, backbiter and turnip ghost. Natalia calls Lomov the monster and rascal. Chubukov calls Lomov's father a guzzling gambler. Lomov calls Natalia well-educated, excellent housekeeper and not bad-looking. Second, then think of 5 adjectives or adjectival expressions of your own to describe each character in the play. Answer: Natalia, a lovesick cat, quarrelsome, immature, self-centered, egoist, selfish. Chubukov, quarrelsome, imitating, fickle-minded, cunning, selfish, a loving father, dominating. Lomov, a scarecrow, confused, idiotic, a foolish bachelor, well-dressed, talkative. Third, can you imagine what these characters will quarrel about next? And the answer will be All the characters in the play are fickle-minded, short-tempered, and quarrelsome. They may quarrel on any petty issues. Actually, they relish quarreling and will find some or other excuses or to quarrel on. So, we will continue it tomorrow.